to filter Yelp search results by open now, price, and rating. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Yelp's official page and then add your location at the top. And then search what you want to search: restaurant, delivery, takeout, everything. And after your results come, click on all at the top. After you click on all at the top, here select open now and then select price range as well at the top, and then you can select rating in here as well. After you finally click on all the result, press on apply filters, and according to that you'll find your results in Yelp. And this is how to filter Yelp search results by open now, price, and rating. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.